hi again. So we're going to continue working on page 180. This is just learning more about adjectives and practicing using adjectives in sentences. So right now I'm on page 180, middle of the page under practice together. If you guys remember, my daughter Jenna was answering some of the questions with me, and she said when she was looking at the 4 adjectives, buzzing is the sound of the bee. يعني النحل لما بيعمل صوت الصوت بنسميه buzzing. Fragrant means it has a beautiful smell. So العطر بنسميه fragrant. Huge means something very big. يعني كبير. Shady means if you have tall trees and provides a shade, you can't see the sun. That's called shady. Jenna, did you want to say something?
Can you tell me what I chose? Because I don't think they could hear me on the last video.
It's okay. Yeah, I'm going to ask you in a second. Okay, so she looked at the picture and she said the plants are not very tall. So she doesn't think we are going to be using shady. So let's read number 1. There is a blank garden at the palace. What do you think goes there, Jenna? Which adjective?
Fragrant, because I don't think it would be buzzing, because a garden doesn't buzz, and I don't think it would be shady, because if it was shady, it would be like the garden wouldn't be living because it wouldn't have sun.
Okay, so let's read number 2 and 3 to find out which one goes there. The garden has many blank flowers. What do you think goes before flowers to describe the flowers? Do you think buzzing, fragrant, or huge?
Huge, because they might be sunflowers, and sunflowers are very big.
Okay. But when we describe flowers, do we talk about how beautiful they smell?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also fragrant.
Fragrant, I agree with you. Okay, so for number 1, we're not using fragrant. There is a huge garden at the palace. Do you agree with me, Jenna?
Yeah.
Okay, and then for number 2, the garden has many fragrant flowers. Do you agree with that? Okay, now tell me for number 3. I hear blank bees near the flowers.
This one is buzzing.
Buzzing, very good. Buzz is the sound of the bees. All right, so now let's try it again. Use an adjective from the box to complete each sentence. Write the sentence on a card. Use 2 adjectives and 2 sentences. Use a comma if needed, then say the sentence. And this is for practice. So you guys don't need to turn it in for me, but I would like you to practice this. So here are the sentences. We have Asian, colorful. These are actually the adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe people, places, things.
Can I read them?
Okay.
Can I read them?
Let me read them because we might not have enough time, but then you're going to help me choose them for the correct sentence. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Asian, colorful, cool, sweet, and tall. Asian is someone that comes from Asian country, like Japan, China, and so forth. Colorful is full of colors. Cool is something that is not too hot, not too cold.
And like it has 2 meanings. Something like cool, what you just said, and also like it means like someone is cool. It has 2 meanings.
Yeah, if you describe someone as very interesting, something that's interesting is cool. Okay, sweet, it's like sugar or something that looks really nice, and tall is the height. You're talking about height. يعني إذا واحد آسيوي colorful يعني مليء بالألوان. cool يعني منعش. sweet يعني جميل. tall يعني طويل. Okay, we only have 22 seconds. The trees have blank flowers too.
The trees have...
Should we continue on the next one? Let me read them and then next one we'll do that. The blossoms on the trees smell very blank. Birds chirp from high in the blank trees. Frogs croak